folks, take a look at this lighted pick. It's a great tool for removing tonsil stones, which are smelly, calcified chunks of bacteria, mucus, and dead cells lodged in the tonsils. The rounded shape is great for gently removing stones on your own, and the light lets you see what you're doing. These picks are a great addition to your medicine cabinet. So check out the Amazon link below to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Rochelle. Today we'd like to tell you about Meta 7
Meta 7 will help you activate your life.
and get you where you need to be and through the day.
Check it out.
There's a link in the description below.